All right. For this week, I have a bullish bias for GU because we have support created on the weekly while still maintaining higher lows. So when I have a fresh support formed on the daily, then the next day I'll go in the following New York session and go ahead and take some buys. Let's put that over here so it's like, oh, at the camera. For UJ, she's still very bullish. I'm going to wait for daily candle close bullish before I buy the following day. And I'm going to wait for, so last week's ideal trade was in this candle because I had an engulfing, nice, beautiful engulfing candle while in a downtrend. But I didn't take it because I looked to the left and I saw all this stuff, right? And so for me, I was like, why would I sell that support? But it's not like that, apparently. I'm learning. Yeah, because it wasn't even like a nice sharp weekly level. But yeah, this is what made me not take this sell, was because of where it was. So not mad at it, but it would have been the only trend trade that I took last week. Everything else I took was counter trend. And then so yeah, buys for this. When we get a nice bullish candle close, trade the next day. EU, now she's still completely bearish. Like on the weekly time frame, she's bullish. Now you're at that support level where we were rejected again and again and again. Like I expect for EU to continue bullish, but at the same time, I won't be trading EU until the daily actually has resistance broken. Not just an engulfing, not just any bullish candle, because I mean, look at the amount of, like, yeah, you can see momentum slowing down, but still I need to see like resistance created and then a break. Otherwise, I'm not going to trade EU. Not that. Put it all right on her. Put this up here because this is the number one that I'm looking at. And for gold, yeah, I'll be able to trade gold. I'll put that here because everything is still flowing nicely. Like, damn, look at that trend. And when it stops, I'll be able to identify it. And then for UJ, and the dollar is at that point where you know, the previous weekly didn't close bearish, but I mean, no buts really. I mean, it's kind of at this level of resistance here. And we have one bearish candle, another one with a really nice rejecting wick. I just use this as confirmation to the other, you know, the dollar pairs that sometimes they correlate, sometimes they don't. But if I see like a nice solid engulfing or just another bearish candle, maybe on Monday, Tuesday, then I'll have confidence that the GU will go bearish. Hold on. If the dollar goes bearish, GU goes bullish. All right. So if I start to see some bearish action on the daily time frame though, then that'll be extra confidence for me to go ahead and take these buys here. And for GJ, I didn't trade GJ all last week. I have to get used to the fact that my new strategy is long term because I am waiting for daily candles to close and then getting in the following day and having a smaller stop loss. The stop loss according to the 30-minute or 1 hour candle. So, you know, I would have been waiting for this candle to close and I could have held it all the way here, but probably preferably just take profit at this point so I could have a nice 1 to 5. And like, you don't want to push it. So when the daily candle on GJ closes bullish, and also I can see that we've had structure break on the smaller time frame, then I'd be down to buy. But for now, she's not there. All right, she's not there. But yeah, that's my buys for the week. Let's see what's happening this week. News on Wednesday. and nice chunky news on Friday. Oh, unemployment claims on Thursday. That's gonna be a nice push for whatever, whenever. I think unemployment claims have been getting better, but I don't know. We'll see about that. But yeah, that is my advice for the week. Firstly, I'm gonna definitely focus on this one more because we just had a fresh bullish candle close on this. So this is my focus. My number one. So we'll see how it goes. Hope y'all don't blow your trading accounts this week.